Hi, I'm Wayne. Thanks for visiting the Roof Specialist website. We're your one-stop local shop for all roofing. We do colour bond roofing, roof restoration, demossing, asbestos removal, you name it, we do it. We strive to be the very best in the industry. If your roof is past repairing, we can also replace it with colour bond steel. We've been in this business for over 20 years and we strive to be the very best in the industry. We've got all the insurances, qualifications, everything you need to give you a stress-free job. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like. The number's at the top there. Otherwise, have a look at the website. You'll get a lot of information. Have a good day.